$325 is how much it costs to file a petition for custody in a child protection case.
It costs $4,200 to request the medical records for 2 clients in our clinic.
$15 covers the copies of criminal records from the Bureau of Criminal Affairs.
$1,300 pays to get 1 student attorney to court across the state of Minnesota for this semester.
$150 pays for language interpreter fees associated with the client in the clinic case.
$225 covers the
file summons.
$150 covers the startup costs.
Every gift made to the University of Minnesota Law School's legal clinics today goes right to work pursuing justice.
This is where students and faculty work together to help those in need, people in our community.
When you give today,
you support our 24 diverse clinics ranging from business law to international human rights. We help hundreds of people every year, and your gift today will continue this important work at our nationally ranked clinical training program.
When you give today, you support legal advocacy in the legislative and regulatory arenas.
You also support advocacy in environmental issues, entrepreneurs in need of affordable legal counsel, human rights advocacy, and championing the underserved.
When you donate today, you help us continue our legal clinic's century-long tradition of excellence and public service.